In this round, we're talking about OPST Skagit heads, in this case, the OPST Commando head. Went ahead and purchased another one. Previously, I have the one that I use on a 6-weight, 225 grain, a 5-weight, 200 grain, and I just ordered a 175 grain for the 4-weight rod that I'm going to be putting it on. In this case, the 4-weight's going to be, it's going to be a Redington Pursuit right here. It's the 8-foot variety, and I'm going to be putting it on the Echo Ion 4 5-weight right here. It's already got the OPST laser line. I just got to go and add the Commando head to it. And that said, when it comes in, I plan on just using the normal trout leaders that I make, my do-it-yourself ones. And then for the floating tip, I do have some sinking tips from OPST, but I tend to use a floating tip that I've made. And in this case, it's one that I take a section of either I think it's L1 line or something, or just some old fly line, the thin running section of a 5-weight. That seems to work really well. And I'll put on a section of 30-pound on one end, and then the next section of 30-pound on the other end, and perfection loops on the end. And in both cases, make loop-to-loop connections, one to the OPST Commando head, the other one to the fly leader. All right, and then as a quick check, I think I'll run it in the background here. I'll do a quick check, just kind of flip it back and forth to see that it rolls nicely and lays out nicely. And when it does, I'm good to go. So, should be back here delivering Saturday, so hopefully I'll be out later that day trying out that OPST Commando head in a 175 grain on the 4-weight fly rod. All right, next time I'll catch you all again. Good luck, good fishing.